Google Scholar is at scholar.google.com, and the first thing we want to do is make sure to set up our library links so that Google Scholar can connect you to what the library pays for. So to do that, we'll click on the three bars here in the upper left-hand corner and go to Settings. And then we'll click on Library Links on the left. And what you're going to do is type in Florida Gulf Coast University and hit search. And you'll see Florida Gulf Coast University Library, full text at FGCU Library will be there. You're going to want to make sure to click to select it and then click Save. So you can go ahead and search, or you can access the advanced search again on those three lines in the upper left-hand corner. The advanced search has a few more options. So for example, let's say I'm interested in COPD and genetics. And I'm going to say I want those words to occur in the title of the articles. And I'll click search. So Google Scholar brings up results from a lot of different scholarly document types. So depending on what you're searching for, you may not get just journal articles, but also conference papers, poster sessions, books and book chapters, reports, patents, all kinds of stuff. So just be sure you understand what type of item you're looking at before you use it to fulfill the requirements for your assignment. So for example, the first result here is Genetics of COPD. That's the article title. And then looking underneath there, N.A. Malfino would be the author. And it looks like this is a journal article from Chest, is the journal, published in 2004. Now your links to either the free PDFs on the web or through the library subscriptions will be over here on the right. So for example, let's say we're interested in opportunities and challenges in the genetics of COPD, and that looks like a journal article from COPD. So what I'm going to do then is click this full text at FGCU Library link on the right. So it saw that we pay for this. We have a subscription through the library. And when you click there, it takes you to this full text finder results screen. So now at this point, if you're off campus, you'll be asked to sign in to your Eagle Access the same way you do with Canvas and FGCU email and whatnot. So we're looking for links underneath resources located for this citation. If there are links under here, then you're good to go. So you can click either one. And now here we are. It looks like the full text lives in our EBSCO database. And we're just going to look around for that PDF file. There it is. And so we've gotten to that full article. Now, if you see a blank space on the right-hand side and there are no links, that means that it's not available for free online and the library doesn't have a subscription either. So when you click on it, and you try to get the PDF, it's going to ask you to purchase it. So you never want to pay for an article. If we don't have it, we can always get it for you. Well, usually get it for you through our interlibrary loan service, where we get it from another library on your behalf, and that's fast and free. But I'll talk about the interlibrary loan in a separate video. Now, there are little links underneath each item in Google Scholar, and they can be very helpful. The first one is your citation tool, and that's going to be your little quotation marks there. So this will pull up the citation in MLA, APA, and a few other styles. And now this is your full citation for your works cited or references page. It's not the in-text citation. It's the full citation. The next tool is the cited by tool. So what this is saying is, since this article was published in 2004, 180 other articles have come along and cited it. So you can click there to pull up that list of articles, and you may find some other relevant articles for your topic that way. And then the related articles, I think, just pulls up other articles with the same keywords and whatnot. So finally, just be aware of your publication dates. You know, it looks like we've got 2004, 2012, 2011 here, 2009. You know, if you need to make sure that you use the most recently published articles, you could sort by date, or you could play around with the date range up here. So that's Google Scholar.